You guys obviously have not been outside, so you don't have any snow on you. You're just gonna stay in there, Sprinkles? Not gonna come out? How's that look? get hit with snow. Get out of the way. Get in. Excuse me. I'm not done. You're kind of in my way. Where are you going? And you're a white-faced sheep. Darkest. Get out of the way. Can you get out? No. Thank you. Turn around. Good afternoon, it is now Wednesday. The storm that was going on yesterday stopped, but now we're supposed to get more snow tomorrow, which is why I just did the bare minimum on these pens out here for the rams, just because I didn't want it dug out too much. And then I didn't even bother digging out those two because the drifts are really bad on these two. See? So we'll just leave that, pretend that didn't happen. But I've got this door, didn't really need any digging out because there's not much snow here. But I dug out this door just because this will be the most commonly used pen once I start lambing. And then I kind of dug out my front door here. I had dug it out this morning, and by the time I came back out, it had already like snowed in. Ta-da. But these two think they want to go outside, but then I open the doors and they're like, no, unless I'm standing out there. But even then, they think about it, but not really. It's been pretty warm again today. Water stayed mostly unfrozen, maybe just a light layer of ice on top. But otherwise it's been pretty nice out. I'm not ignoring you. I'm sorry. It is now like Thursday evening or something, and it's snowing a lot today, way worse than it's been. In fact, my front door won't even open. So actually this morning I couldn't get this door to shut, so I put a shovel in front of it, and I was able to come through that. But that one won't even open. I don't know why. It must just be frozen down or something, maybe? I don't know. No idea. But I got in to get these guys grain, probably water, because I bet their water is frozen. It's actually kind of cold out. Hi. Is your water frozen? Actually, not really. But these guys won't stop fighting. Hey. Would you guys stop? Yeah, I'll get you fed if you knock it off. You don't need to fight. If you guys wouldn't fight, I could put you together. Hey. So I just got those guys grain, hay, and water. But now it's completely dark in here, so you can't see me anyway. I have to run out and check on these ewes out here, which I gotta go out this door. I gotta move the shovel. And there's a whole bunch of snow back here. Ta-da! Let there be light, I guess. But then I have to tie it outside because I can't put the shovel in front of the door again because I will be on the outside. And it's kind of snowing and blowing, so it's not very nice outside.